Imagine a world where computers see and understand images just like humans do. Welcome to computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that allows computers to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. Think facial recognition, self-driving cars, and even medical image analysis. It all started in the 1960s with simple image processing tasks. Today, thanks to advanced deep learning models, computer vision can perform complex tasks that were once thought impossible. So, how does it work? It begins with image acquisition, capturing the image. Next comes pre-processing, where the image is cleaned and enhanced. Then features are extracted. These are like the unique fingerprints of the image. Finally, classification helps the computer make decisions based on these features. Ready to dive deeper? Stay tuned for our next video where we'll set up your environment and get you started on your computer vision journey. See you there. See?